Dear students, in my previous lecture, I have explained you about speed and velocity. Now today, I will explain few numericals on speed. Let's have a look to the first question. A scooterist covers a distance of 3 kilometers in 5 minutes. Calculate his speed in centimeters per second, meters per second and kilometers per hour. Now in this question, distance is given, time is given and we have to calculate the speed. As I have explained yesterday, speed is equals to distance upon time. So here nothing as such to be done, only the unit conversions are most important here. Distance is given 3 kilometers, time is given 5 minutes and I have to convert into centimeters and seconds. So 3 kilometers I will convert into centimeters. Here we go. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Converted into centimeters gives you this figure. Now 3 kilometers means 3 into this gives you centimeters. Time taken is 5 minutes. So we know in 1 minute gives 60 seconds. So 5 minutes gives you 300 seconds. Now speed is equals to distance upon time. Divide both of the figures and you get here 1000 centimeter per second. Next we have to convert into meter per second. Now distance is 3 kilometer. Easily you can convert into meters. So here it is. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So 3 kilometers becomes 3000 meters. Time is 5 minutes, which is equivalent to 300 seconds. So if you calculate speed, this gives you distance upon time. So distance was 3000, time is 300. Both are divided, you get 10 meter per second, which was our question in meters per second. Now, third is kilometers per hour. Distance is already in kilometers, so nothing to be done here. But minutes, time is given in minutes. So this we are going to convert into hour. So time to be converted into hour will be divided by 60 because in 1 hour how many minutes are there? 60. So vice versa we have to convert into hour. That means we will divide it by 60. So I get 5 by 60 hours. Now speed is equals to distance upon time. So distance I have divided by time as it was a fraction. So I have written it like this. So that gives you 36 kilometer per hour. So it is nothing very difficult, only simple the conversions of different units which you have already learnt in your mathematics. Now let's see question number 2. It is given a car travels 30 kilometer at a uniform speed of 40 kilometer per hour and the next 30 kilometer at a uniform speed of 20 kilometer per hour. Find its average speed. Now here a car is traveling 30 kilometers with 40 kilometer per hour speed and then next 30 kilometers it travels with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour. So here time is not given and you know to calculate the speed we need the time. So first of all we are going to calculate the time here. Let's take one by one. Speed we know is distance upon time. Here speed is given 40 kilometer. Distance is 30 kilometer. We have to calculate the time. So speed is given 40. I have put in the formula the values. In place of speed I have kept 40. In place of distance I have kept 30 and time. So if I cross multiply these, I will get time here. So this will be this will become 30 by 40 hours, which is 3 upon 4 hours. First time I have represented by T1. Again in the second case, as you can see, speed is 20 kilometer per hour and distance is 30 kilometer. So speed is equals to, again distance upon time. Speed was 20 which I have kept 20 here. Distance was 30 divided by time. So here I get time is equals to 30 by 20 which is equals to 3 upon 2 hours. Now yesterday we have discussed that average speed. Here we have to find the average speed. Just focus on this. Here you don't have to find the speed but the average speed. So for the average speed you need total distance and total time. Now here the total distance will be 30 kilometer plus this 30 kilometer, because the car was traveling 2 times, means twice it has covered a distance. First 30 kilometers in 40 kilometer per hour speed, and the next 30 kilometer in 20 kilometer per hour speed. So here the total distance becomes 30 kilometer plus 30 kilometer, that is 60 kilometers. And total time, as you can see, total time I have just calculated here previously 3/4 hours, and the second we have calculated here 3/2 hours. So that becomes 3/4 plus 3/2 hours gives you 9/4 hours. Taking the LCM, you can just simply add. It's quite simpler one. So 9/4 hours. Now we know that the average speed is total distance by total time. So average speed is equal to total distance divided by total time. I have just, as it was again in fraction, so I have placed it like this for your easiness. So 60 into 4/9 gives you 26.6 kilometer per hour. So these were 2 simple questions for your better understanding on speed. Few more questions we'll be discussing in the next lecture. Go through these 2 questions thoroughly, and on the basis of these explained concepts I am sending an assignment which you will be doing, and your answers you will send me with your name in the comment box, so that I can check and reply whether the answers are correct or not. I hope you have understood. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and enjoy learning.